In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scenario in Make.com. Whether you're managing a small project or orchestrating a series of automated processes within a larger team, setting up scenarios can greatly enhance your productivity and workflow. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you every step of the way to ensure you're confident and ready to create your own scenarios effortlessly. When you're ready to start, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the Create a New Scenario button. This is typically prominently placed for easy access. You can usually find it in the top right corner of your organization's dashboard, within the Scenarios list, or in your team's workspace, depending on your specific setup. Feel free to navigate through these areas to locate it. Once you've found this button, go ahead and give it a click. This is your gateway to crafting those time-saving automations that Make.com is known for. Clicking on the Create a New Scenario button will open up a blank scenario canvas. This blank canvas is where the magic begins, offering you a fresh space to build your scenario from scratch. At first glance, it might seem a bit empty, but think of it as a canvas waiting for you to create your masterpiece. This interface is designed to give you all the room and flexibility you need to lay out your scenario just as you envision it. This canvas is intuitive yet robust, welcoming both newcomers and seasoned automation experts. You have the opportunity to design a workflow tailored specifically to your needs. The canvas allows you to add and connect different modules that will represent each step of your process. This modular approach is one of the strengths of Make.com, as it provides flexibility and adaptability throughout your scenario creation. As you work within this space, keep in mind that you can easily make adjustments and iterations. Imagine each module within the scenario like a building block. You can stack and rearrange these blocks to fit your specific processes, linking them together to streamline tasks and automate routines. This canvas supports a wide array of tools and integrations. Whatever your needs, there's likely a solution available within this environment. To wrap up, setting up your scenario in Make.com begins with a simple button click to stretch your creativity and productivity. With practice, this process will become one you'll navigate with ease, adapting the power of automation to your personal or professional tasks. So, take the plunge into your blank scenario canvas and watch as your productivity soars. Embrace the simplicity and the potential of Make.com, and let your new scenarios do the work for you.